Are you taking an Alaskan cruise out of Seattle? This video will walk you through the very quick and seamless process we face sailing out of Pier 91 Cruise Port in Seattle. Pier 91 serves as the home port for Carnival Cruise Line, Celebrity Cruises, Holland America, Royal Caribbean, and the cruise line we are featuring today, Princess Cruises. It is just 10 minutes to the city shopping district, the iconic Space Needle, and a 30 to 40 minute direct trip from the airport to the historic Smith Cove at the north end of Seattle's waterfront. The cruise port has convenient on-site parking that holds 1,100 parking spaces. The cost to park your car at the time of this recording is $29 per day. You can receive a $1 a day discount if you prepay online and reserve your spot. They also have a complimentary shuttle to take you to the terminal. Our group opted to hire a shuttle service to take us from our hotel to the cruise port. We used Airman Transportation, who were wonderful to use throughout our stay. When we arrived at the terminal, she dropped us off at the drop-off section at the terminal where the porter took our luggage and we were off to the Princess side to start our embarkation. After going through security, we waved our medallions, showed our passports, and we were then directed to the ship. That was it. It was that seamless and easy. Then, after a glorious week in Alaska, we were back in Seattle where we disembarked, followed the sign to claim our luggage, went through customs, and then once again our transfer service picked us up at the designated pickup section. There are also signs to use the walkway for rideshare pickups. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and recommendations. Happy cruising!